So, on this rainy, wet day, and on a rainy, wet week, the boys are down doing a little path job for me. So, we'll see how that goes. They just finished digging it out here now. Got it all shaped up. Gonna bring some gravel in, put it down for a base, compact it nice, and then get a little bit of asphalt in there for a new ramp coming off of a new deck that they're gonna put in. It's not there yet, but once we're done our portion, they'll come in and marry up the decking to whatever we've left and go from there. So we will see how the rest of today goes, but this job's in good hands. Ashton's there, so I'm not too concerned. Just came down and gave him a little explanation as to what I'm looking for. Honestly, I wanted to see what the material was like as well, and it's fairly good material, so I'm not that concerned about the future settlement. So we'll pound that with some gravel, and we'll be all good to go and move on to the next one. So now I'm going to head down to Heron Cove, see if those boys are there. Because it's supposed to rain a fair amount today, I don't have a lot. I'm not opening a lot of ground up today. So they're going to concentrate on getting some more parts down to site that we will need for the next phases of that job. And hopefully getting some organization on site completed. There's another tree that's got to come down. I believe the arborist is coming today to do that as well. So we will see what's happening there today. But aside from that, we will see you when we get there. So on Herring Cove, the boys are getting ready to unload some of those parts. Traffic control is set up, and the tree has been removed. Those tree guys are just removing the last of the branches now, and they'll get that stuff unloaded and ready for another day. So yeah, all good. Everything's going good. I'm gonna get out of here and let these guys do their thing, and we're on to the next one. That looks good. Got her all shaped up, ready for asphalt. Get some nice shape on it. Leave it there for put their decking and their ramp, their wooden ramp. That should work out nice. Even filled in a little pothole. Looks good. So he's doing good. We'll leave him to finish that up for today. He'll get it paved up, tidied up. He'll send me some pictures at the end there. Base is in, looks good. Everything's tamped, everything's tidy. So yeah, I have no complaints. Hopefully they beat the rain that's coming. Looks like the radar is saying it won't be till later on today, so that's good. Yeah, just another typical rainy day in Nova Scotia. It's funny, we went from being probably the driest we've ever been in years to the wettest within a couple of weeks, going from forest fires to floods. It's nuts. This is the new world, eh? Anyway, I am gonna go do some more stuff, and we'll see you guys next time.